Honey, what are you doing?
I'm just doing my work. I don't get why you're bothering me. I've been working on this shit for 2.5 months, and you know better. You just, like, come in here out of nowhere.
Well, did you want to go to the movies with me?
No, I don't. I need to do this.
Well, what is that?
What is what? Oh. She's my inspiration, unlike you.
Well, I was going to move with Sarah then. Bye.
Bye. What to do? No, not my paper. Dude. No, my paper. My paper. I have to get it. No, yes. I need it. I worked 2 months on that. It's too risky. I can't do it, but I have to. Here it goes. What? No. No. I should get somebody's attention. It's not working. Need something better. It's not working either. I need more. This will work. Screw this, dude. What change? What change? Oh no! Kill them. Just kill them. I get in somehow.
Get out your seat. We famous, everybody's famous. When you up in Vegas, can't nobody blame us for acting famous. That's right, famous. PH Vegas, you know it's all good. Everybody
Honey, what are you doing?
I wasn't fucking. I wasn't recording the room.
Babe, what are you doing?
Come on, dude, seriously, you're pissing me off.
Fine, I'm leaving.
I'm just doing my work. It took me 2.5 months to do this, and you're here bothering me. What the hell?
Alright, well, you want to go to the movies with me?
No, just get out of here.
Fine, I'll just go with Shannon and Sarah.
No, not the Pringles. My paper. Fuck. I have to get it. I've been working on 2 months for that. It's risky.
Gossip, red carpet, TMZ, yeah, I'm the hot topic, want the flame.
We famous, everybody's famous. When you up in Vegas, can't nobody blame us for acting famous. That's right, famous. PH.
Oh God.
You know it's